Name?
Amethyst Barone.
Here to see?
Knack and Drago.
Kicks, take her down to the cell block.
Yes, sir. First 2 cells on the left.
Don't do that again.
Hey, Amethyst.
You look busy. Hi. Philip. Phil is dead.
Suicide, right?
He, left me his things.
Did he? Well, unless any of those things are for me, I don't know why you're here.
I can't get it to keep working.
You can't get what?
He designed it when he was in the asylum. I can't understand all of his notes.
This isn't like before.
No. It's the complete opposite.
Can it really work? Right. You're gonna need the Triforces to keep it running.
I know. That's where I can't move forward. His notes say Sally Rouge had the Triforce of Wisdom, but I got the program working with some chaos remotes long enough to check her place. There was nothing there.
And she's dead?
Of course.
And I assume you didn't leave a trail when you went.
Well, it wasn't technically me that went, but I was sure to leave something that would throw them off our scent.
Well, that idiot Spectre has the Triforce of Courage. We've known that from the beginning.
Yes, but Miles is dead too.
Well, it should be fun getting that one back.
Phil didn't even know what the Triforce of Power was. If he did, he didn't leave any clues.
Drago, get off my ass.
Hey! Quiet down in there.
Jab! This bitch is messing with me.
Shove it, Drago. I don't care.
Come on, buddy. I know you're upset you're stuck in here with me in this minimum security hellhole prison.
Shut up, Drago.
Wow, I'm Officer Jeff, and no one believes me that I saved a made-up world.
That's right. Because she's with me. Careful.
Jess. Just shut up.
Well, unfortunately, Miss Barone, I can't help you. Because you see, I'm in here. Everything I need is out there.
I don't think you're seeing the whole picture of what Phil's last program was capable of.
Oh, really, bitch? Why don't you enlighten me?
What if you weren't in here?
Elias, what are you playing over here?
Nate, come on.
Is it a good game?
Get out of the way.
Are you winning?
Nate, get out of the way.
Oh,
Come on.
Sorry. Ah!
Come on, Nate.
I'm sorry. It was an accident.
God damn. You buy me a new one if it doesn't work.
I'm okay, by the way.
Go make me a Hot Pocket or something.
Alright. I'm gonna head over to Julie's. Ash is just taking way too long.
Good. Go ruin her house.
Well, you know what? You have baloney breath!
I know. Don't say anything. I realize I'm late. Come on. It's me. What? Nice panties, buddy.
No, thanks. What's up, Ash?
Nothing much. Nate!
You just missed him. Surprise, surprise.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
He couldn't wait for me. Why? You have... I don't even know where you... Alright.
Gonna be alright?
That's fine. That's fine. Say, friend, did you, leave something in the oven, perhaps?
Oh, son of a bitch! Oh, no.
Tool.
Find anything yet?
Nothing. We got prints, but no match. No blood. Nothing was even taken. I don't know what this guy wanted.
Who called it in?
Anonymous call. Came from this house. My men did a sweep, but the place is empty.
Not so empty.
Get that to the lab now and check it for prints. We'll have this guy in the next 24 hours.
Man, I can't believe we got signed up with that crazy bitch. I mean, honestly, man, she must be 8 kinds of crazy.
Shut up. That's exactly the point. Who better to figure out the lunatic ramblings of our crazy ex-employer? Besides, this isn't about her. It's about getting us out.
And you think this is really gonna work?
Well, looks like Phil had almost everything figured out. Although, unless I read it wrong, he hadn't solved how to limit the machine's power.
Man, this bull's giving me a headache.
Meaning we won't be the only ones the program works on. Miles and all of his old buddies will transform too.
A reason to kill them. I'm cool with that.
Amethyst is trying to figure out a way to delay their transformation, give us a head start.
So when do you think we're gonna do this?
Next 48 hours.
You, think we could bring that Nikki chick? She could prove kinda useful.
We're bringing anyone who wants to come along. Amethyst wanted an army. That's why she came to us.
I don't know, man. Something about that girl just doesn't sit right with me.
You don't know the half of it. She has some additional plans for Yates' design.
Plans? What kind of plans?
She wants to bring Philip back from the dead.